Today, we're attending an intimate wedding gig here at XO46 Heritage Bistro in Pasay City. We'll be setting up a basic lights and sound system along with an acoustic setup for the trio. The trio will be providing the music for the entire event, so it's very important for us to mix their sound properly and make sure everything sounds great. For this setup, we'll be using the Soundcraft Ui16 to fine-tune and balance their sound. If you're new to our page, don't forget to like, share, and follow us. Your support really helps our page grow and motivates us to create more quality content like this.
For this gig, we only set up a basic lights and sound system. We place the speakers according to the management's instructions because they are not allowed to be positioned at the front. Since this is a hotel venue, it might disturb the guests who are checked in. We also installed a set of amber lights to provide warm lighting later in the evening.
We also installed protective covers to shield our equipment from the heat of the sun and keep it safe.
Can we all rise?
We also relocated the musician's position upon the request of the couple and the venue management, since they needed to use the original spot for other purposes.
That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. To all our viewers who stayed until the end, we truly appreciate your support. If you enjoyed this video, or if you're new to our page, please don't forget to subscribe and share this video to help our channel grow. Your support means a lot to us and inspires us to keep creating more content like this to share with you. Until our next gig, thank you very much and see you again.